Okay, you may have heard about the process of a court-ordered title for a motor vehicle. How does this work? This is a process when you are having difficulty with the Department of Motor Vehicles, the DMV, where you don't have the right paperwork to get a title. Maybe you bought a vehicle and the seller didn't give you a legal title, something like this. Maybe you got the title, but it was damaged. Maybe there's a lien showing on the title record. There's a lot of reasons why the DMV can't directly give you a title. In some states, the DMV is called something else. DMV, it says here, or similar agency. If the government office in your state that issues titles is not allowed to give you one because of your paperwork is incorrect or insufficient, then you can go over their head, get a court order to direct them to give you a title. Now, don't be scared about hearing the word court. It's not like a big court case where you have to go into the court. We almost never hear clients have to go to the court. You can do it by mail. But it's a powerful process when the DMV, their hands are tied. In fact, many times we're hearing that the DMV is telling applicants to go to get a court order. When is it necessary? If you lost, destroyed, or can't find the title. If there's a dispute over the title, like if there's a lien showing on the title record, unresolved title issue, that's kind of the same thing. Or there's no current title. You will be back in your video in just a few seconds. In the meantime, remember that actualhuman.com offers you live one-on-one private video consultation with an expert in this exact subject. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions. We want to give you expert advisement of your options and tell you what we know about your particular situation. Now back to your video. What do you have to do? You have to file a petition, step 1, provide supporting documents, step 2, court hearing optional. It says you may need to appear. We almost never hear that. It's very rare. And then you get a court order, apply to DMV. Now, here's the only bad part. There are no set of blank forms. You can just go to the court and say, hey, give me the forms for a court order title. They don't have forms for this. You have to make them up all on your own. And our website, you can see the link below, cartitles.com, will give you instructions on how to do this. We also have a title service if you want to have us do some of the work for you. But this is a way to bypass the DMV, go over their head, and without having to do something like buy a surety bond and go through all these other steps, you can actually get a court order title that is a very, very serious order directed to the DMV to make them give you a title. If you see right here what it says in Google AI overview, a declaratory judgment issued by a court directs the DMV to issue a title to a specific person. So it's, you have the court on your side. They're bossing around the DMV telling them you better give this person a title or else. So don't overlook this process. It's very powerful. It can help you if you're getting the runaround from the DMV or they're kind of giving you a hard time about giving you a title. This is a way to bypass all that and make them work for you. Thank you for watching another video at actualhuman.com and describe.tv. Remember, if you have questions or comments about our videos, put them in the link below. Also, remember that you have availability and access to live one-on-one question and answer consultation with a licensed expert in a number of fields: investigations, insurance, surety bonds, civil court mediation, even things like real estate records research, real estate brokers, real estate mortgage lenders. In addition, you're going to find that experts are available in business segments, business development, marketing, advertising, certified licensed experts. So if you do find this content valuable and you want to delve more deeply into a subject, you can't ask YouTube a question, right? But if you want to talk to somebody live, an actual human, use the link below. Thanks for watching.